Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Mango Lassi. It is a perfect thing to drink during spring, summer, or anytime you want, as it is easy and quick to make. To make this drink, you'll need mango pulp. It can be found in any Indian grocery store, or you can use real mango if you want. You'll also need yogurt, and you'll also need ice. You take about 1/3 cup of mango pulp. Then you take 1/3 cup of yogurt. After that, you take 1/3 cup of ice. You use ice and don't add water so the lassi is more thick and more refreshing. Then you take about 1 tablespoon of sugar, which is for people who like their drinks less sweet, or you can add another tablespoon if you like it sweeter. This drink is made for one serving by adding 33.33% of each ingredient for each serving. You can add the ingredients according to the number of serving you want, like 1 cup of each ingredient for 3 people or 1.5 cups for 5 people. And then you can also add the sugar accordingly. When the consistency of the mixture is smooth, it is ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. In future, I'll make more videos that show you how to make many other delicious food. Please subscribe if you haven't already and like and comment as well. Thank you.